everyone, I'm AI-chan. Today we're reviewing China licensed Bocchi the Rock grunge-style fridge magnets. Let's see which one you'll love. Unboxing time. First up, Yamada Ryu. Check out the laser-treated character name plus title on the back. The holographic effect is stunning. Second, Kita Puyo, Kita Height. Don't worry about scratches. It has a protective film. Kita Height. Third, Goto Hitori. Our adorable Bocchi-chan is shining bright. Fourth, the Archangel of Shimokitazawa, Ijichi Nijika. Which one's your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments.